Right, what's going on, guys? It's October, it's cold, it's windy, beards everywhere. Wind noise is going to be a problem for this one, but I thought I'd show you the view on the way down. Just check this out. So we are literally stepping back in time. We're going to view some... I'm not even going to say what I'm going to view. I'm going to keep the suspense going until we actually get there. But I just couldn't help showing you this. It just reminds me of the island's Route 66 coastal route. Incredible. Have you guessed it yet? Brickworks, old lime brickworks, that sort of thing. Some cool structure. It's not really, well, it's an explore, but it's probably footpaths near enough leading to here. So get on down and view it. But this on a summer's day would be incredible, I would say.
Not bad, don't they? Given the way we have this morning.
Let's just, you can see the chimney coming into sight in between these two. Awesome. Check it up down. Right, here we are, guys. We have arrived. How awesome is this? A set of structures up there. Looks like they would have had the belts coming straight down. Obviously offloading them there maybe. I don't know if they could have brought ships in this far or not. But of course water is a great source of renewable energy for running places like this. Actually sound pretty good now. What you reckon of it, Kurt boy?
Yeah, I wanted to visit you a while. Drone shot's going to be phenomenal, and the way
It's awesome.
The way it's round there, Karen found a way if we want to go down.
Awesome.
If we walk round and turn.
Got the little chutes everywhere. Worst case scenario, we could have gone down a little chute.
No, I slide, isn't it?
Slide all the way down. Oh, bro, can I have a look at this? It's pretty epic.
Oh, nice.
Do some video stuff first, and I'm gonna do some filming later.
Lovely.
Yeah, this is cool. You know, guys, it's easy enough to get to. Also, bit of a walk, probably a footpath to get you. What more do you want? Let's look at the way that obviously all that goes right under the water, the way it's eroding. And boilers, this is awesome. Sorry about this bit being a bit jumpy. Yeah, this is cool. Look at the ovens. Obviously I'm guessing throwing some stuff in there. And this is awesome. Obviously would have been a structure there at some point. Boilers. What do you reckon of this then, old dear?
Kind of cool, isn't it?
I like it. Boilers and stuff, wow. Just see the scale of it. We're not ruining Kurt's shop here. Let's get out of here quick for him. Obviously people having fires down. I know a lot of people camp down here. But this is cool. This looks like something has fallen from outer space. How cool is this? Awesome. Man, this is cool. Did I say it was cool? It's cool. Even this. That's sort of like something you wouldn't see in this country. And there's that wind. Oh, strapping down there. You can see the sheer scale of it there. That's awesome. Go, just gonna get some shots from down here, guys. We'll pick this up over there. Well, we couldn't leave it without coming inside one of these, could we, to be fair? It's a bit echoey. is it? And you've got that coastal view. So there we go, guys. I'm going to wrap it up there. Something a little bit different. Reminds you of like Aberthorpe Limeworks and a few places down in Cornwall. Nonetheless, pretty damn cool. I hope you like all the other stuff that's on the channel. Hit like, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Take it easy, and I'll see you all soon.